How ESTJ acts when they like someone. ESTJ individuals may exhibit specific behaviors when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some signs to look for. Organized planning. ESTJs are known for their organized and structured approach. When they like someone, they may plan and organize activities to spend time together efficiently. Direct communication. ESTJs value directness and may express their feelings openly and straightforwardly. They appreciate clear communication and may convey their interest in a practical manner. Supportive actions. When an ESTJ likes someone, they may show their affection through supportive actions. This could involve helping with tasks, offering practical assistance, or being reliable and dependable. Social inclusion. ESTJs may include the person they like in social activities and events, introducing them to their circle of friends and family as a way of integrating them into their life. Expressing concern. ESTJs may show concern for the well-being of the person they like, taking steps to ensure their comfort and addressing any practical needs they might have. Structured dates. ESTJs prefer structured and organized plans. When interested, they may plan well-thought-out and structured dates, ensuring everything goes smoothly. Demonstrating loyalty. Loyalty is important to ESTJs, and when they like someone, they may demonstrate unwavering loyalty and commitment, prioritizing the well-being of the relationship. How to make an ESTJ like you. Be direct and clear. ESTJs appreciate direct communication. Be clear about your intentions and feelings to establish a straightforward connection. Show reliability, demonstrate reliability and dependability. ESTJs value individuals who can be counted on and fulfill their commitments. Appreciate structure, embrace structure and organization. ESTJs appreciate those who can adapt to a well-planned and organized approach to activities. Participate in social settings, join in social activities and gatherings. ESTJs value partners who can comfortably integrate into their social circle. Acknowledge their support, recognize and appreciate their supportive actions. Acknowledging the practical ways they express care can strengthen the connection. Enjoy structured dates, appreciate and enjoy well-structured dates. ESTJs put effort into planning, and acknowledging their efforts fosters a positive connection. Demonstrate loyalty, show loyalty and commitment in the relationship. ESTJs value partners who prioritize the long-term well-being of the connection. In summary, connecting with an ESTJ involves being direct and clear in communication, showing reliability, appreciating structure, participating in social settings, acknowledging support, enjoying structured dates, and demonstrating loyalty.